Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I am using some semi-neutral colors today. Most of the colors that I'm using are custom made or are leftover paints from previous pours, and also paint that I scraped up from my table. So this should be really interesting as far as the way they blend together. Here I am just going to start layering my cup, and I will be doing a white base with silver, and I will blend that in together with the palette knife. Then I will pour my layered cup on top in a traveling straight pour motion or technique. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy this video, and I will talk to you again during the wet result. here it is. So this is the wet result. I won't have the dry results in this video because I just poured it about an hour ago. So this is wet. And I did let it sit for about 30 minutes. As you can see, it's starting to dry on the edges because there were cells still popping up as it was drying and after I torched it or used my hot air gun. So I wanted a little bit more of those cells to come through, and they did. Love the composition, love the colors. I love using that silver and blending it in with the white. That silver is very reactive because it's extreme sheen silver, and I also use Pebeo silver, Amsterdam silver, and Arteza silver. And I mix them all together with floetrol. So I did have a bunch more cells, but I ended up tilting them off. So I just love it. I love this composition, love the colors. Can't wait to see how it dries. Thank you for watching.